Before accessing bank loan, before borrowing money from any bank, it's important to ask yourself and the bank several very key questions so that you can be sure you're making informed decisions and, most importantly, selecting the right loan product for your needs. So in this video, I'm going to share with us some very important questions to consider before you access or sign that offer letter. The first question you want to answer is, what is the purpose of the loan? You need to understand exactly why you need this money, because having an understanding of why you need the money will help you to determine the proper loan amount and then the loan type. The next question to ask is, how much money do you actually need? It means you need to carefully understand your financial needs, your cash flow, to determine the exact amount required to achieve your business needs at that time, or to meet your business needs at that time. The next question to ask is, can I afford the loan repayment? So it means you should evaluate your current financial situation and your cash flow to ensure that you can comfortably make the monthly repayment without impacting your business adversely. What is the interest rate on this loan? You have to ask this question and get proper answer, because the interest rate can impact the total borrowing cost for you. What are the loan terms and conditions? Conditions precedent, conditions subsequent, all the loan terms. Review the agreement carefully to determine the fees, the penalties, the charges. You need to know this carefully. What collateral is required for this loan? You need to know to determine whether you are going to be comfortable providing your grandmother's call. Are there any repayment penalties, assuming you want to pay off before time? Ask or find out. What is the TAT, or the approval process of this loan? Understand the steps involved in applying, the timeline from approval to disbursement. Also, you want to ask, are there other documentations you need to provide? Ask these questions, my dear. Ask. Assuming you are unable to meet your repayment for whatever reason, what are the potential consequences of a default? What will happen if you are unable to meet your monthly or quarterly or whatever repayment as the case may be? Now, before you even go to borrow at all, have you explored alternative funding options? Fund options like investors, grants, crowdfunding, whatever. Have you explored other options before going to the bank as last resort? You have to provide answer to these questions. You see, by answering these questions and thoroughly researching and considering your options, you can make well-informed decisions about when, if, why you should borrow from a bank. You need to be able to answer this to determine that your need at that time, that your borrowing need at that time aligns with your financial goals, your business projections, and your present circumstances. I hope this was helpful to someone. I'll see you in the next.